Hi, my lovely viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resize text in your Windows 11 operating system. So for this case, we have to go to the settings options. Here are the settings. Then go to the accessibility. See here the text size that appears throughout Windows and your apps. So click here, and here is the size, resize text. So how? In my laptop, I have resized in the smaller size. If I wanna do the biggest size or similar increasing, so see, so in this way the size has been increased, and if we click the before or the beginning side, then it will reduce. See, and if we click here the upcoming side, then it will increasing. See, then you have to press the apply. So when we press the apply, then it will take some times. See, the whole things is increased. Now if we want to again the reduce the size, then go to the accessibility, then text size, then here again we apply. See, again it will smaller size or reduce the size. So thank you so much. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much. Please subscribe this channel.